Hello guys, Andy back, and we're here with a part 3 on how to make your own build. So tonight we're going to be looking at adding your backgrounds and setting the path for them, so that's working. We're going to be looking at adding some system maintenance and sorting out URL resolver. Okay, so it's slightly different for me because I'm building on a Windows PC. Those of you that are doing this on an Android device, the path for your background folders will be different to what I'm about to show you. However, I will link a picture in the description, or give you the path in the description of where the Android pictures need to go to. But the steps are kind of the same. So what I need to do is I need to go into my file manager, and I need to add a source. Okay, and the source, I've already got this on my desktop prepared, is here. So we shall add that special : / home user data backgrounds. For those of you that are on Android, you need to point your Android device to look for Android/data/org xbmc code. In fact, do you know what? I'll type it in here for you, and then I'll put mine in. So it will be the path you guys need to go to will be on your Android /data. You don't need to type this first bit in, but this is the full path that you will need to find: org.xbmc.code /files.code. Okay, and then it will be user data. Okay, so that's the path that you guys will need to find on your Android device. I'll maybe record a little separate video on my phone showing you how to get to that, but I need to have that one here. Okay, in fact that's the name of it. In fact, goes there, and that gets called just backgrounds. That gets called backgrounds, and done. Right, so I'm going to select OK there. That says it couldn't retrieve directory information. Would you like to add it? Yes. Right, I need to go back to my desktop here now. Right, so now in my code folder, right, I need to go into user data and create a folder called backgrounds. So what I'm saying is the path that I've used is C users and the app data roaming code user data. However, the Android one, the path up here will be what I just showed you with the full Android data org xbmc code files, if you understand that. Let me minimize that, and I've already downloaded some background images. Okay, I've done this. I'll link the website I used, and you can go on and have a look. I've downloaded these in 1920 by 1080, and so I need to put them into that folder I just created. So the backgrounds folder, I need to put them in there. Okay, so that's there. So now I'll go to my skin settings. We'll set up the main menu on the left, then go to the Nox main menu on the right. You've got your sections here, so now we're going to set the background. So if I go to set background for power, set background, I'll go single image, and then there's my folder. It's appeared there, backgrounds. Okay, and I've got one in here called power. We shall put that on. Okay, all in one. Just repeat the process again. Set background, single image, backgrounds, and all in one. Add-on hub, again, just repeat what you're doing into the backgrounds, and let's put that one in there. TV shows, select background, single image, backgrounds and TV shows, there it's there. Movie hub, set background, single image, backgrounds and movies there. Live TV, same again, set background, single image, backgrounds, live TV. System, set background, single image, into your backgrounds folder, system, and favourites, set background, single image, backgrounds, and favourites there. So that's them all set, right? So I'll go back to my menu, my main menu, give that a second, and there we go. So that's got all the eye candy that you want. So add-on hub, TV shows, your movie hub, live TV, into the system, favourites, power. Power's not so good, maybe need to download a different one for that. And then you're all in one. Okay, that's how you add your backgrounds. And just to make sure everything works correctly, remember to quit out under your power menu so it saves all your changes. And then we'll move on to the next step, what I want to do tonight. So this will shut down in a wee second, it's just making sure everything's gone. So that's gone. And then I'll open Kodi up. It's there, my backgrounds are there. Okay. So it's starting to look a bit more familiar to use now. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some self-maintenance. So the maintenance, the stuff that clears your cache, your packages, your old thumbnails, things like that at the beginning when you open up your Kodi, right? So to do that, I'm going to use one that I've been recommended. So we go to File Manager, and we're going to add another source. Okay, and the source here, I'll just grab that from my desktop, which is here, the URL for Steptoe's place. We'll copy that and we'll put that in there. http://steptoesplace.net/repo. Don't need to use this one. If you know of any other cleaning tools or whatever, use that. I'm just showing you this. So I'll select done, and we'll come back and we'll rename that Steptoe's repo. Then I'll select OK. Then we'll just install that from the repo. So across to my add-on hub, into my add-on browser, install from zip file, and we're looking for Steptoe's repo. There it's there, and install that repository. Okay, and there it's gone in. So now we install from repository, find Steptoe's repo, here it's here, into program add-ons, and you've got Steptoe maintenance here. Like that, and install. Okay, there you go, and it's already working as you can see. So we'll come back out again, and back out, and I'll just quit again to make sure that's running when we power up Kodi. Really don't like that power icon. I'll really need to get a different one. So that's quitted out. I'll restart my Kodi, and it should, there you go, there's the maintenance. Alright, maintenance is running, packages and things like that. So you can go in and see what configuration you can do to it. So if I go to my add-ons, into my program add-ons, and find it, Steptoe's maintenance there, you'll bring up the settings, and you can set it to the number of file sizes, the max total file sizes that will let you have, zip files, things like that. Okay, that's already set. I'll just leave it on that. As I said, it's just to show you how to do it. So that's that. And so the last thing I want to do is, I quite heavily use my real Debrid account. Don't know if all you guys do. If you don't need to do the next step. But any of you that do, this is going to enable me to put a menu here for URL resolver for every time I need to go in and reauthorize my device. Okay, so what we need to do here, slightly different, we go to skin settings, main menu on the left, Nox menu on the right, set like that. We're going down to system and we're going to manage the sub menu. I'm going to click on the plus and I'm going to set the label for that, and we're going to call that URL resolver. There it's already down there for me. Let me just go back and change that to capital U. Select done. So it's a little bit different here. We're going to change action and we're going to give it a custom item. Okay, get rid of the noop out of there, and again I've already got it here. That's what you want to do, is put this this command in. So Addon.OpenSettings bracket script.module.urlresolver. You're telling it to open the settings for the script of URL resolver. Select done. Back out to your menu. Let that build. And now, when I go across to my system, I've got URL resolver down here. So I can go click that, and it brings up your resolvers, and I can go in and set my real debrid things up. Okay. For users that don't know how to do this, I would select that, get rid of the 100 out of there, put in 90. Once that's in 90, oh, come off it there. Let me go down to it again. Once that's 90, select OK to save the 90. Then go back into it, URL resolvers again, universal resolvers, sorry I should say. Come down to real debrid and reauthorize my account. It'll bring up a prompt on screen. Now I've got my phone in my hand, it you can't see, so I shall follow the link that's there, https://realdebrid.com/device, and then input that code. That code will only work for me, so you can copy it if you want, it will not do anything. And I'll select continue on my phone, and there you go, that's my real debrid resolver authorized. And just to show you that, if I now go into Ecelium, no, we won't go to Ecelium because you need to set real debrid up itself. In fact, let's go in and we'll just do Ecelium as well. Resolver settings only. That just brings up the setting. In fact, it should work in here because I've just set it up. I thought this was like the last one. Fast select OK, go into movies, we'll go to now playing, let's have a look. Trust me, oh, it's processing some metadata. Let that run through. Right, and let's have a look. Spin down. Shape of water. Let that run through and it should pull out some of my debrid links. First time I've used this Asylum Lite. So seems to be taking its time. Let's try a different one. Oh, it's not letting me click now. Okay, so we'll just need to sit here and make small talk until this decides to work. There you go, let's give me 61 links, it says. But we'll just come back. Molly's game, that just came out. And it's running through. And I'm not pulling any RD links for some reason. Let's come back, we'll try a different add-on. This is the name of the game, guys. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's go on Radix. I'm sure that uses real Debrid. Let's have a look. New releases screeners. (9.11). I don't know if I'm going to get a notification on this, but hi ho. Nothing. Oh dear. In fact, has it got a real Debrid section maybe? Let's go down. Settings. Enable. What's in? Just make sure I'm not missing anything I want in here. Back in. Right. Anyway. I'm not leaving this until we find something that uses real Debrid. I want to make sure it's working. Tools, accounts. Providers. Let's change that to 1080. I'm sure this used to use it, maybe not. Let's go and have another look. New movies. Shape of Water. There we go, that is going to. So there you can see, it's pulling my real Debrid links here. Okay. Sorry about that. Wait. But nature of the beast. I've not set this build up completely like I needed it. So it's bound to happen at some point. So there you go. So the blue ones here are my real Debrid, RD, right? Into your normal streams, then into more real Debrid streams. Okay, so click on the first one. It's an open load, but because I've got real Debrid, it's going straight on. Alright? So that's that. real debrid's done, URL resolver's done, the background images is done, and the maintenance is done. So I think I've only got one video left to do, guys, and it's to show you how to back up and store your build, restore your build if you need to clear it. So we'll do that on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Again, can I just ask you, if this has been helpful, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. If you've not subscribed to me, please give me a wee subscribe. I do all these for you, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye bye.